Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownie truffles. Start by crumbling cooled brownies into a bowl and add cream cheese, then mix until smooth. Roll the mixture into even balls and chill them briefly so they hold shape. Melt chocolate and dip each chilled ball, then set on parchment until firm. Finish with decorations or a dusting of cocoa and serve at room temperature for best flavor. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure crumbled brownies and softened cream cheese so mixing becomes quick and consistent. Chop the chocolate into small pieces to melt evenly and have any toppings nearby for easy finishing. Chilling time helps the truffles hold their shape and results in neater dipping. Working efficiently keeps the coating glossy and yields tidy, irresistible bite-sized. Follow the steps in order for consistent results and a calm kitchen experience. Mix the brownie crumbs with cream cheese until the texture is smooth and malleable, but not overly wet. Portion the mixture with a small scoop and roll into tidy balls, then chill so they firm up. Dip each chilled ball into warm melted chocolate, tap off excess, and place on parchment until fully set for clean, professional-looking truffles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.